Understanding due diligence in North Carolina real estate. Today, I want to explain something that often surprises buyers moving here from out of state. In North Carolina, our contracts don't have contingencies the way many other states do. Instead, we use something called a due diligence period. Hi, I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty. So what is a due diligence period? The due diligence period is a set amount of time that you as the buyer have to do all of your homework or due diligence on the property. That includes things like your home inspections, appraisal, loan approval, reviewing HOA documents or surveys. Basically, it's your window to make sure this is the right home for you. Now, here's the key difference. During this period, the seller essentially takes the home off the market for you and is obligated by the contract to sell to you. But you, the buyer, can terminate purchase contract anytime during this period. In return, you pay a due diligence fee directly to the seller. That fee is negotiable, and so is the length of the period. And the fee is due immediately upon execution of the purchase contract. Our contracts have current home sale or lease and financing disclosures that are required by the buyer, but there is no home sale or lease, financing, inspection, or any other contingency. Instead, we have the due diligence period that gives you flexibility to do your research, negotiate any repairs or credits, and terminate the contract if needed. If you move forward with the purchase as planned, the due diligence fee gets credited back to you at closing. But if you decide to walk away for any reason during due diligence, the seller keeps that fee. It's their compensation for the time the home was off the market. This structure makes our process very different from states that have multiple contingency outs. In North Carolina, everything hinges on the due diligence period. So it's really important to negotiate the right length of time and fee upfront. Now, we also have earnest money deposits in our contracts, also negotiable. This fee is often more well known by out-of-state buyers. It is placed in escrow within 5 days of execution of the purchase contract and is refundable through the due diligence date. Once the due diligence date passes, it becomes non-refundable. And like the due diligence fee, it gets credited back to the buyer at closing. So the bottom line, work with an experienced realtor who understands how to protect your interests and set you up for success during due diligence. You want to make sure you understand the market and what will be a reasonable due diligence fee and due diligence time period. I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty, authentic coastal luxury at every price point.